Stop by and take a look at the 2020 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.